whispers are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Good day, traders. StockLegends.com with another explosive stock analysis. We're going to take a look at Grne for April 5th, 2012. This stock will be moving well on Monday, April 9th. We hope everyone's having a great long weekend on Easter. Please take an opportunity to go to StockLegends.com. At the top of the page under today's alert, if you click on the button, you'll be able to read our in-depth research report. Please make yourself familiar with it. Also join our newsletter by entering your name and email address and hitting submit. So taking a look at the technicals, we've done this particular stock before. Back in early January, stock ran up to 001 for a nice gain of about close to 100%. If we take a look at the technicals, we've got price resistance here right around 0011, 001, 0012. So this is building up a long-term resistance area here, and so certainly we have a great opportunity of coming back to it. What we saw previously was a nice run up here to 0063. You can see we had a trend support line pushing the stock prices up, and then when we broke our trend line, you can see the stock had a nice pullback. We're building up a downward resistance here, and once we broke the resistance, this is the selling pressure on the particular stock. You see the selling pressure ended, and what we had was actually a slow reversal from a slow downtrend into a slow uptrend. So we've got a support trend line here now pushing the prices up higher. So we've got higher lows at 0001, 0002, 0003. So we're building up this pattern here of higher low points. And what we actually have going on here is a ascending triangle. We've got resistance here at around the 001 to 0012 area, and we've got a rising trend support line pushing the prices up higher. Once we connect a straight line, three low points in a straight line, that pretty much solidifies the fact that we do have a trend line. And if we do see any pullback in the future, we can expect some support along this particular trend line. So we are probably going to see, now that we've touched and confirmed our support and held, the stock looks like it's getting ready to make another move back up to test the resistance area. So from 0005, we certainly have an opportunity for a 100% move back up into the 0010 or higher level. Volume looks very healthy. This is particularly important because since January of 2012, volume has really picked up in the stock, and it's pushing the prices upward. So we see more buying than selling occurring here, and volume remains strong, so it's great for traders to get in and out. Very liquid stock, so they can make entries and exits. But certainly, if we get above this resistance line, it's probably going to be one you want to hold, because our next resistance is going to be in the 0033 area. You can see some support back here in late 2011 was holding a support level. Once we broke it, you can see a sharp pullback, so we're going to look for that particular level to be a price resistance in the future. Looking at our momentum indicators, or TRIX, you can see wherever we get these crossover points to the upside, the price generally has a run. So I've drawn little blue circles on each of the crossover points to the upside. You can see they're just about touching. We've got positive momentum coming back around, and we should see that crossover confirming an upward trend. Whether it ends at 0010 or it continues to run, it's too early to tell, but the stronger the volume, the higher possibility we have of breaking out and running. So, you know, we just had a one day here where we had almost 200 million shares traded in a day. So a lot of volume occurring, and we certainly have an opportunity to see a nice breakout once the support and resistance get a little bit tighter. We've got this resistance here and the trend support. Once they pinch and the volatility gets tight and volume remains strong, that's the catalyst we need for a breakout. So already we're seeing the Bollinger Bands pinch up here, and we're seeing that volatility start to get real tight. This is the coming moment that we're looking for when we're going to get a breakout or a breakdown below the support or above the resistance. Currently looking at accumulation, you can see a nice upward accumulation phase. Traders are loading up on shares and holding, so that's a very positive sign as well. And that's basically the analysis for today. Thanks very much for watching, and happy trading.